Today's topic is add path in Google Earth. Let's continue. Add path in Google Earth can help you outline a specific area or regions on the map. Open Google Earth. Navigate to the location where you want to add the path. Click on the Add button in the top toolbar and select Path from the drop down. Or click on the Add Path icon. Start drawing the path. Start clicking on the region to start drawing your path. Each click adds a vertex to the shape. You can click multiple points to outline your desired area. In the New Path dialog box, enter a name for new path in the name field. You can add the description for the path. Click on Style Color adjacent to description. You can change color, width and opacity of path here. You can see the length of newly created path under the measurement tab in different units. Now we will see the editing of created path. There is a window places below the search window. Go to the path and right click on the path name and select properties from the drop down to add it. Or right click of your mouse on the drawn path and go to properties to edit the drawn path. Description can be changed. Color, width and opacity of lines can be changed under Style Color tab. Path boundary can be edited, refined by stretching the path nodes. Now we will see saving of path. There is a window places below the search window. Go to the path, edit and right click on the path name and select Save Places As from the drop down, or right click of mouse on drawn path and go to Save Place As. Fill the name of the file and select location in your computer. Now I am deleting the edit path and going to open it from saved location. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe for more interesting videos.